Welcome back. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to download DEM data from NASA EarthData. So in the search, use NASA EarthData search. Now click on search. So you can see here, this is the website, the first link, EarthData search NASA. You can check in the URL. I'll be putting the URL in the description section. Please do check it out. Now click on this first link. So this is how the home page looks like. If you are new, you can use this quick tool to get started with this website. So I'm going to close it. In order to download the data, first we need a login. So click on login. If you don't have a username and password, click on register. So the registration is very much simplified. You can see username, password will be asked. You need to provide the new username and password and your personal information. You have to fill this, and after that you can click on register for EarthData login. In 2 or 3 minutes you'll be getting a link to the email. You can verify it and your account will be activated from there on. So now let me go back. As I already have an account, so I'm going to input my username and password. Now hit on sign in. So in this website, tons of data is available. So we are going to stick into downloading the data for this video. So now let me collapse this and go to the organization, and here come down and you can find shuttle radar topographic mission. Select it. This is called as SRTM. So after selecting SRTM, you just have to come down to data format. Here I am going to choose HGT. Click on it, and once again click on the expand panel so that the available data will be filtered and it will be displayed. So you can see here 4 types of data is available. So in that I am going to focus on NASA's shuttle radar topographic mission global 1 arc second datasets. So you can see arc 3 second, this is the 90 meter resolution DEM, and this is 30 meter resolution DEM. If you want, you can know more about this data. You can do a search over it. So I'm going to use this one, which is of 30 meter resolution. So I'm going to click it. So now we have chosen the SRTM DEM data. The next important step is we are going to choose our area of interest. So you can see here, you can use polygon, rectangle, spatial circle, and you can also use the spatial coordinate. Okay, so I'm going to use spatial polygon. After choosing spatial polygon, you can go to the decide location by using the scroll button, and you can navigate around the map using the mouse. You can see here, mouse left click, you can navigate, pan around the map. You can use scroll to zoom in to a particular location. So my focus is around this region, so I'm going to draw a polygon. So for finishing, I'm going to click on the first vertex. The polygon will be completed, as you can see here. So for the study area, you can see 4 tiles is available. 1, 2, 3, 4. The study area covers 4 tiles. So you can directly download the 4 of the data, or you can download the single tiles individually. So if you bring on the cursor, you can see it will be highlighted in the map as well as in the data panel. So this data represents this highlighted. So for example, if I want this tile alone, you can click on over here, download. You can see here, you can click this and download the data. This may take a while. So you can see here the data has been started to download. It is around 12 MB. So let me go back, and if you want to download all the images, all the tiles, you can hit on download all. So here you can see download data. Click on download data. So you can see here 4 tiles are available, and once again click on files. You can see here. So we have successfully downloaded the named datasets. Let us open it in QGIS and have a look at it. So let us extract the image. Simultaneously, let me open the QGIS also. So let me quickly add the base map. Now let me add the data also. So this was the downloaded file. Open, add it. Now if I zoom in to this location, as you can see here, you can see the downloaded DEM datasets. So thanks for watching. If you have any other doubts on this, you can ask in the comment section. Goodbye. Please do subscribe the channel.